Changing your verification method on Cash App can help enhance your account security and ensure you have access to your funds. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account tab located in the top right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Security Settings. Scroll down to find the Privacy and Security section. Tap on it to access your security settings, where you can manage your verification methods. Step 4. Choose Verification Method. Look for the option labeled Change Verification Method or similar. Here, you can select your preferred method, such as email, phone number, or two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new verification method, follow the prompts to confirm your choice. You may need to verify your identity through the selected method to finalize the changes. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. Regularly check your security settings to ensure your account remains secure.